Hey, did you know that Facebook Messenger has over 1.3 billion active monthly users? And on top of that, there are over 2 billion people out there using mobile messaging apps. There are billions of conversations happening between customers and businesses each month. Manychat provides an enormous opportunity for companies to quickly and easily find their customers and pass them through the sales funnel. To help you capitalize on this huge marketing channel, we've got 8 ways you can use Manychat and its chat marketing automation tools to tap into this audience, generate leads, and gain repeat sales. Manychat's built-in Facebook ads integration makes it super easy to find your audience, deliver targeted ads, and bring them directly into your Messenger sales funnel. Do this. Use your bot to qualify incoming leads, then use Manychat's Stripe or PayPal integration to handle payment, all within the customer's Messenger experience. Manychat integrates with e-commerce platforms like Shopify and WooCommerce. Keep your customers in the loop with real-time order status notifications via Messenger or SMS and email. People check Facebook something like 14 times a day. What if you could helpfully remind customers that they forgot to click that checkout button on your website? Wouldn't that be nice? Wait. People get distracted. Use Manychat to let folks know that those pants they really wanted in that one size and that one color are back in stock. Send them a back in stock notification through Messenger, SMS, or email. Help them have those pants. Real-world paper punch and plastic loyalty cards are so 1990s. Reward repeat customers with a loyalty program built right into Facebook Messenger. You interact with customers every day on your Facebook page. Why not use Manychat to share exclusive coupon codes to boost page interaction and give customers another positive touchpoint with your business? Don't leave your new customers in a lurch once they've made a purchase. Use your bot to automate product support, receive feedback, and let customers chat with you one-on-one. That's the story with generating repeat sales and funneling leads with Manychat. Have questions? Check out our blog from the link below. Want to see more of this? Subscribe to our channel for more video content from Manychat. Go out, do these things. Happy chatting.